guys, how are you all? Welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing good. So in today's video, I am going to talk about this mask which is from the brand Biotique. It's their Biofruit Whitening Depigmentation Tan Removal Face Pack for all skin type. It's a 100-gram tube and this retails for 140 rupees, but I got it for 98 rupees. I'll put all the purchase link in the description box if you are interested, or if you are planning to buy, you can check them out. So Biotique claims that it's an Ayurvedic recipe, 100% botanical extract. This face mask consists of some amazing Ayurvedic ingredient like Multani Mitti, and we all know Multani Mitti is an amazing ingredient when it comes to oily skin. Along with Multani Mitti, it has Geru powder. Geru powder is a kind of Indian red clay. Powder is used in Ayurveda to get glowing and flawless skin. It also has a Yashat Bhasm. Yashat Bhasm is used in Ayurveda to minimize your clog pore and to reduce oil from your skin. Along with that, it has tomato juice and pineapple juice, and we all know both the ingredients are rich in vitamin C. They reduce tan from your skin, they give you even toned skin, and they also enhances your complexion. Last but not the least, it has Babul Gond, which is used to treat skin diseases like eczema and fungal infection. They have also mentioned the percentage of each and every ingredient which they have used in the face mask behind the pack. So if you are interested, you can also check that out. If I talk about consistency of this mask is really smooth. It glides on your skin like butter. So if I talk about packaging of this face mask, then this comes in this 100-gram of tube. And if I talk about texture of this face mask, this mask is super buttery and glide on your skin just like butter. As you can see, it has a very beautiful red color. To apply this mask, what you have to do is you just clean your face, apply a thick layer of this mask on your face and on your neck. Leave it for 20 to 30 minutes and then you can wash it off. But one thing you have to keep in your mind while applying, you may feel some tingling and sensations because it has so many Ayurvedic ingredients, but that will subside in quite some time. They have also mentioned that you can use this mask every single day, and you can also take 7-day challenge with this mask, and you can see whether this removes pigmentation and hyperpigmentation or tan from your skin or not. So before discussing about the results, one thing which I really want to share with you guys, that I am not here to promote whitening. The reason why I got this mask is that because of this winter, I soak a lot of sun and I used to sit a lot in sunlight, and because of that I got a lot of tan. So I thought, why not try this mask, because I saw many people are raving about this. Don't get me wrong, I am not here to promote any fairness product or any product which claims to give you white skin. So if I talk about my experiences with this mask, then it's a very basic mask. It definitely adds a good glow to your skin. It also makes your skin bright. It also makes your skin soft and supple. But it does not do what it claims. It does not remove tan from your skin. It does not make your skin white. So if you are looking for some basic mask which can give you bright and glowy skin, you can definitely go for this. This is just for 100 bucks. Neither it removes any sort of pigmentation nor it removes tan from your skin. So if you are planning to buy this mask to get rid of pigmentations and to get white skin and to remove tan from your skin, this is not going to work. So if you're planning to buy this mask to get rid of tan or pigmentations or anything of that sort which it claims, then please don't go for it. It does not remove a single thing what it claims. But if you want to try out a basic mask which can add a good glow to your skin, which can awake your dull skin, then you can definitely go for it. Will I repurchase this? Definitely no, I am not going to repurchase this because this is just a basic mask, so I don't think spending even 100 rupees is worth. If you'll ask my recommendation, then it's not a recommended product, and if you are planning to buy, don't go for it. This is it for today's video. I hope you have liked my video. If you do, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. You can also follow me on my Insta. Like this video, share this video, keep on watching and keep on supporting. Till then, take care and bye-bye.